Alright, so I wanted to show you how to look at your ink levels in the web UI for the Canon Pro-4100. I wanted to show you that when you found your printer using the professional printing layout, it shows you the IP address of your printer that is on the network. So 192.168.1.94. If you open that in a web browser, if you just type http://192.168.1.94, it defaults to this index page, and I'm showing you in the elements. So this is the F12 toolbar. You can see and look at the JavaScript and CSS and HTML and all the different stuff that's on this page. You can see that I have the original PFI 1300, the 330 milliliter cartridges that come with the Pro-4100, and if you look up here, it shows you the width of this progress bar is at 62.5. Now I haven't seen that change, I believe, so I don't know if the this is exactly 5/8 percentage, so I don't know if they only show the ink at a granularity of 1/8, but if you look at the maintenance cartridge is at 31%. So that might have some better granularity. So we can track that over time and see if that actually gets worse at a granularity of 1%, or if that's just a rounding issue and maybe it's at like 30% or something like that. Yeah, so it doesn't show you how much is in the lower tank, it just shows you what's left in the cartridge. And so if I'm reading this correctly, it used 3/8 of the cartridge to fill up the lower tanks. And let's see, 330 times 3/8, so that's 123 milliliters in the lower cartridge, or not the cartridge, lower tanks. We'll see if that ends up being true over time. If it's in 1/8 granularity and 1% granularity as the maintenance cartridge gets used. And anyway, I thought this was pretty interesting to learn about the granularity, because if you look on the screen on the Pro-4100, or you look in here, I don't think it's going to have a whole lot of granularity in those progress bars. So it does have a pretty good accuracy on the amount of rolled paper left. I started off with 100 meters, or not 100, 30 meters on this roll, and I've only printed about 10 feet or so, and so that seems to be pretty accurate. And that's all I wanted to show in this quick video.